morning, students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, our country, India. You can see here map of India is there. Everybody, you have learned about there are 29 states and 7 union territories. It is a democratic country and world's 7th largest country. Let's see on the map. Here we will talk about firstly neighbor country of India. That ones are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China. Here Myanmar is there and Bhutan and Bangladesh. These are neighboring country of India. These are neighboring country of India. Again, I am going to repeat: Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar here. So these you should know where the place of this one neighboring country, and on India that I am going to send you link and you have to do the practice of this one neighboring country. After this, let's talk about more about India. It is a peninsular country. What is the meaning of this one peninsular? A landform. This is India. All landform is here surrounded by water. Most the part of this one land area surrounded by water. Here India is surrounded by Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Most part of this one India surrounded by water, that's we call it is peninsular country. Again I am going to repeat which sea are there: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Oceans. These now let's talk about geographical features of India. See here, there are northern plains, northern mountains, northern plains, the Thar Desert, Peninsular Plateau region, coastal plains and islands are there. So let's see the places of this one. See here number 1, that one is northern mountains are there. Number 2, northern plains are there. Number 3, Thar Desert are there. Number 4, Peninsular Plateaus region is there. And number 5, coastal plains are there. Here coastal plains are like this one, from this one to this one. Islands are there. On 6 number, these are area of island. So we will talk about more about our country India. Here islands, 2 islands are there. That one is Andaman and Nicobar Island. These are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and second one is Lakshadweep Islands are there. So here 2 islands of Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep of India is there. Here some important rivers also there, such as Ganga, Jamna, Brahmaputra river system. That one are our main rivers. Ganga is the longest river in India. Ganga is the longest river in India. So these are the important features of our country India. We have learned about this one. So now what we have learned in this one session. So here there are 29 states and 7 union territories are there. and we have learned about the neighboring country of India and water area covered by India.